Freightliner and Western Star dealerships earning the Elite Support certification deliver unmatched customer service and efficiency every time a truck comes in for maintenance or repair. Our entire network is trained to get you back on the road fast.
Elite Support has meant everything to my business. It's my security blanket of knowing that the trucks will be up and running. The drivers will be making money, which is very important for them.
I like my Elite Support dealer because they know me, I know them, they know what my needs are. They're very flexible with me, and they've always taken care of all of my needs.
The service that I get in this dealership, it's excellent. I wouldn't take my tractor anywhere else. And the reason that I changed to Freightliner is because of this dealer, honestly, so I'm very happy.
Well, Elite Support dealers get you in and out. Your downtime is a lot less. There's the parts department is involved in getting the parts to the technicians and everything squared away where your truck's back on the road.
Benefits of the Elite Support Network overall are the customer can go anywhere in the country that has that badge on it and get their truck looked at in the same manner. There are standards in place to ensure it happens. We have to recertify every year. People make sure that we're actually doing what it is we're advertising.
Well, the Elite Support dealer is going to have a lot better network of everything. Parts, service. There's a lot more support from Freightliner Western Star dealership versus the mom and pop shops. They're not going to get the help. They call us for help.
You're going to leave here with confidence knowing that your truck's done right because you have that relationship with the tech. You know he's been trained properly, and it's not a situation where you're going to go down the road and come back 20-30 minutes later or 2 days later with the same issue.
When they pull up, we'll give them an express assessment, and within 2 hours we can tell them what's going on with their truck, and that way they can make plans accordingly, and it helps them out a lot.
I had a customer come back. They went to an independent shop, and they ended up just throwing parts and parts and parts on. We were able to fully diagnose it within that 2 hour window, fix it, and they were out the door in about an hour and a half, 2 hours.
If you have a choice to go to a smaller place and their labor is a little bit cheaper than the dealership, your cost savings may be $400, $500. When your truck's down for 3 or 4 days, it costs you a lot more than $500.
Don't waste your money. Take it where it's going to get done right the first time.
Locate your nearest dealer at EliteSupportNetwork.com and experience a higher standard.